Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you the two ways to find IMEI number of your phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's find out the first one. First of all, head into your settings. After that, go to these general options and scroll down and you'll find this option of about phone. Tap on it and over here you'll find this status. Tap on it and you can view your IMEI number from here. So this is the first way. Also we can find IMEI number in more simple or faster way. So for that, go to your phone icon, then type *#06# and you can view your IMEI number from here. So in this way we can find IMEI number of our phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.